Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a topic that's been puzzling many developers. Why does npm install sometimes remove the registry from package-lock.json? If you've encountered this issue before, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's happening and how to deal with it. First, let's some context. Context. When we run npm install, npm node package manager installs all the dependencies specified in our project's package.json file. But did you know that npm also updates the package-lock.json file? This file is crucial for ensuring consistency across different environments and machines. Now, let's dive into the two. Understand what's happening behind the scenes. So why does npm install remove the registry from package-lock.json? To answer this, we need to understand how npm resolves dependencies. When we specify a dependency in our package.json, npm looks for that package in the npm registry. The registry is essentially a massive database of packages, each with its own unique identifier. When we run npm install, npm checks if the specified package exists in the registry. If it does, npm downloads and installs the package along with its dependencies. However, sometimes the package may not exist in the registry or may be private. In such cases, npm can't resolve the dependency using the registry. Here's where things get interesting. When npm can't find a package in the registry, it tries to fall back to other sources like GitHub or Bitbucket. But this fallback mechanism is not always successful. If npm fails to find the package, even after trying these alternative sources, it will remove the registry entry from package-lock.json to indicate that it couldn't resolve the dependency. Think of it like a browser cache. When your browser can't find a resource on the server, it removes the cached version to prevent serving outdated content. Similarly, npm removes the registry entry to ensure that future installs don't try to fetch an unresolvable package from the registry. To illustrate this concept further, imagine you're trying to download a file from a website that's currently down. Your browser will keep trying until it times out, and then remove the cached version of the page. Similarly, npm tries its best to resolve dependencies, but eventually gives up if they can't be found in any known source. Now that we've covered the why, let's summarize from this discussion. npm install updates package-lock.json with resolved dependencies. If npm fails to find a package in the registry, it falls back to alternative sources like GitHub or Bitbucket. If all else fails, npm removes the registry entry from package-lock.json. This removal prevents future installs from trying to fetch an unresolvable package. That's it for today's video. We've covered why npm install sometimes removes the registry from package-lock.json. It's essential to understand that this behavior is a safety mechanism designed to prevent npm from fetching unresolvable dependencies. We hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on web development and related topics. Thanks for watching.